Here I have XIAOMI 12S Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the My Device section, then go to the factory reset, tap erase all data, tap factory reset. Then you have 10 seconds to get to know what these informations here. Then tap next. Then you have 10 more seconds to get to know with these new informations. Tap OK. And after that your device will be restarted. So when you're in this kind of menu, here you have to select an option reboot and then system, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.